every day when you finish work. I feel like I've never been a stranger. The familiar station, the familiar seat, the familiar you. How I wish to be by your side, watching the sunrise every day, watching the sunset every day. When you finish work, a pair of large hands. By your side, watching the sunrise every day, watching the sunset every day. When you finish work, a pair of large hands.
Wondering what I should do. Say something or stay close to you. Since I need the way it's good. How to pose my awkward mood. Maybe then think about it too. So that won't make emotions smooth. How better move forward you. Only touch is real and true.